Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of February 14th through the 20th in my horizontal planner, which I do, in theory, hand-lettered quotes in. I'm going to start that back up at some point, so I'm going to keep decorating so that the pages are ready to go when I feel like I need to do some writing. So the challenge theme I'm going to go with for this one, of course, all the themes this particular week, Valentine's week, are kind of somewhat related. From the heart, puppy love, Valentine's, romantic love, red spread, Valentine's or Galentine's Day. This one caught my eye, puppy love. My husband loves dogs. We don't have a dog right now because we just don't have a very big yard. But of course, I'm always doing cat spreads. You guys know I'm a cat person, but I thought I would go ahead and do puppy love in this one. So I have the Pets book. This came out a while ago. I don't know if you can still get it or not, but it's got lots of dog stickers in it. And then I also pulled this little paw print washi, which I have in with my cat collection, washi tape collection, but it could totally be paws or dog's paws. And then I have these Simply Gilded, like Dalmatian spot kind of washi tapes that I thought maybe I could use somewhere in the spread as well. So let's get going. I think I'm going to do a rainbow spread, which typically when I do rainbow spreads in a layout like this or my dashboard layout, I end up going like clockwise or something for the rainbow. So the first thing I want to do is there's a page in here that has boxes with cats and dogs, and I never use the dog ones. So I thought I could use these for who to attribute the quotes to. And so I'm going to start, I think, with this darkest one over here with notes, to cover notes. So I got my little dog there, so I can write who the author of the quote was right there. And then I need a sticker for here, something big to cover up this week. Like You Are Totally Possum. That's a nice dark one. Happiness begins with a wet nose and ends with a tail. I like that one too. I just want to pick something kind of solid to use there. Like these. There's nothing specifically dog really per se, so although these are all nice and rainbow colored, sometimes some things just fill your heart without even trying. I think I want to use that one. I want a dark one to go with this dark so that I can continue the rainbow. And so I think I'll use this one. And I think I want to put some of this rainbow washi way down here. Like with this. I don't know how well this washi is going to show, because it's pretty pastel, but that's okay. At least I'll get a chance to use it. So let's go ahead and stick that down. Just put a swatch of this right below it. In case you didn't know it was about pets, now with this washi tape, you know exactly what that quote is about. There we go. Yeah, I don't think I'll use a whole lot of that. It's pretty hard to see. So let's go ahead and put... I don't know, should I go with the gold? What colors, what foil is in the, yeah, there's gold foil in this book, so let's stick with the gold. So since that's a dark box, let's do the white, the gold on white. And I just thought I would use these because, like I said, they look like Dalmatian stripes or spots. So I thought they were appropriate for a puppy love spread. Okay, and then let's put like a couple other things, dog things here. So I'm gonna try to keep everything in this same color. Right now I'm in the navy blue colors. So I'm just gonna flip through the book and look for stuff in navy blue. Like there's nothing on that page. Here we go. Here's a dog dish and a toy ball. And that's got a little more gold, so that's nice. A little more gold foil. I don't want the mouse or the ball of string because those are cat, obviously. There's no navy blue paw prints. Pick up toys, that's cute. All right, I think that might be good enough for here. Bath time. Okay, let's see what our next What I should do, you guys, is pick the boxes and put them in the rainbow order. Okay, so if I go purple here, and then I skip pink, and then I go with the peach here, and then orange would go here, yellow would go here. Okay, that works. So those are my colors. Oh wait, and then what goes up here? Green, right? Pink, I did it wrong. Peach would go here. Because I said it was going to go around, right? So blue, purple, pink, peach, orange, yellow, green. And I don't have any green ones. So peach, orange here. Yeah, let's do that. And then this is yellow. Pink, peach, orange, yellow, green. Okay, we got it. All right, now I just need to build my clusters. So let's go ahead and do some white, more white, but with the black dots with this one. I need to peel this up before it welds itself to the page. And actually, should we let's put this one up high. Create a little more space between these two box stickers. Yeah. Okay. And then this one is pink. So I definitely want the pink doghouse. And I don't think I'll put any washi tape with that. And then peach, let's go more washi tape with this one. I think I'll switch back to the gold. So normally I build each individual cluster. Today I'm kind of putting color placeholders in each spot so that I don't mess up my rainbow. Okay, orange, let's do black dots with this one. And since that's got a straight edge, let's put it there. And I'm going to keep both of these down. And then this one is supposed to be yellow and then green. So let's go ahead and do the green doghouse down here. I'm just wondering if I want to put a little bit of gold washi. I think I do. I think I want, well, nah. Okay. So then that means this is yellow. I need something yellow there as a placeholder. How about another little cluster of these? Let's go dog bowl, bone, kind of stacked on the dog bowl, tennis ball, then maybe we'll put a dog there, right there. Okay, so I have my color, I have my kind of rainbow. So now I just need to fill in the clusters a little bit. Some paws. Ooh, let's put paws walking up to the doghouse. Yes, yes, cute. Same thing down here. I know these are gonna look a little bit matchy-matchy, but that's why I strategically spread them the way I did so that they're not like right beside each other. This is a good book for rainbow spreads, I'm just realizing. There, okay. What else? Pick up toys. I could put that up here on the orange one. I'm just wanting to use some of these different, I do have to do that with the cats too, but when I go to vacuum, oh my gosh, cat toys everywhere. And you don't want to suck a cat toy up in your vacuum cleaner, you know. Wash bowls. Is there a purple? There is. I also have to do that with the cats, only it's more changing the filter on their little water fountain. But walk the dog. That is a good one, you guys. I might have trouble finding stuff to go with this peachy pink because it's not really on here actually. What else? Let's see. Yellow maybe? Walk the dog. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm on the lookout for peachy stuff. Okay, these are kind of peachy. Maybe I need to switch this around. We'll get to the end. We'll keep going. Ooh, dog food. Dog food should go with the dog bowl. There's not a dark blue one. There is a yellow one though. There's a peachy pink one. There we go. There's some peachy pink. Let's see if we can fit that on there. Yeah. Dog food. And then let's go back. Like I said, there's a dog bowl. That works. There we go. Okay. So I know I've got several dog bowls, but I don't care. They're a little bit different clusters, so that'll be fine. What else we got in here? Pet store run. Wow, that's really rainbow. I don't think I want that anywhere. Clean up. This makes me think clean up the poo. Let's put one of those over here for some reason. Oh, and I just noticed there's a Dalmatian right there that matches the Dalmatian washi. Although, you know what? I already have words there. Words. I don't have any words with these two. Let's put it with one of those two. Pink. Yeah, let's do clean up in pink. Clean up around the doghouse. Okay. Oh, there's navy blue. That's okay. Can't have them all. Best friend. Best snuggles. Dogs are supposed to be man's best friend, right? So I should put best friend on here somewhere. Best friend's in purple. My favorite. There's not a dark blue. Brush teeth. Who really, seriously, who actually brushes their pet's teeth? My cats would kill me if I tried to brush their teeth. How about bath time? I don't have a bath. I don't have words on this one. Bath time. There we go. And I'm just noticing this groomers sticker too. This one doesn't have any words. So let's put a really dark blue groomer on here. Because I can see you definitely taking your dog to the groomers. And I think what I want to do is move this kind of down here over the washi tape. And then put groomers here. Okay. I think it might be almost done, you guys. What else we got? Best buddy, best friend. I feel like I want something in this little space right here. Let's put a yellow best friend on there, even though I already have walk the dog. Use some of the cat stickers, dog stickers. Do I want any dog stickers on here anywhere? I kind of don't feel like I need to. There's my boxes. I love pets. I love cats. I love dogs. Ooh, there's some big paw prints. Oh, I only used one dog bone on this whole spread, did I? I did. Let's put a little more with the purple. I need more with this purple. It's pretty sparse, don't you think? So, is there a purple? I love pets. I love cats. Let's do I Heart Pets. I feel like that one's mostly white. I could use a little bigger hunk of purple, you know? Let's put another dog bone on there. So there's no gold foil in this little cluster. Okay. It might be done. I'm just, maybe something right there. Do I have a dog collar anywhere? I don't think I do. Let's put a collar on there. Yeah, that's cute. All right. Those look like decent clusters. I know this was a quick one, you guys, but I mean, the big thing on this planner for me is the hand lettering, which I haven't been doing. I know. I'll get back to it. So, all right, I think that's about it. So if you love dogs, this video goes out for you. Let me put it back in the planner, which right now I'm keeping it in the archive because it makes my main Transformer planner just a little bit tight to have that many months in there. Although I could just do 1 month. I could easily just do 1 month right now instead of past and previous. There we go. So there is my puppy love spread. I know they're not all puppies, but it is about pups, puppers, dogs. So I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to start a horizontal planner that you can use as a safe space for practicing your hand lettering. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.